I've been to pump school 3 times. The first time I was overwhelmed. Didn't realize what all was entailed in the pumping. I didn't realize the pressures, the safeties, the disasters you can have with air, all the things that we bypass and never even thought of. The second time, a year later, I went. I took some new employees. They were in the same boat as I am, looking at us. And I realized the deer in the headlight look I had when I went, and all the little things that you caught up on after you'd seen the equipment work, seen what it does. We had an employee come out for the first time, rode with us the first day, showed us a lot of little key things that you needed to know just to make equipment run properly so you don't ruin anything. Once again, there was multiple phone calls a day to ask any multitude of questions, and they had seen it. They could lay it out for you, help you, coach you through it, discuss your elevations, all the things that you don't think of in a normal manner. But pump school taught us a lot on safety, what to do, what not to do. And every time I've gone, I've learned something new. Being able to talk to the other manure pumpers there, just learning from them, talking to the different employees on anywhere from the production to the pumping side. They're all there, help support you. They've seen stuff. They know the problems people have, and there isn't a lot that we do break, blow up, everything that they haven't seen and can't explain why. It's been educational, fun at times, drive you crazy at times experience, but in the long run, it's been worth it. Every season we get more efficient, be able to pump quicker, and it's thanks to all the support we've had through all the equipment, guys, friends. They get you through a lot. When you think you did something that's impossible, somebody has seen it. Somebody can get you through it. So.